Two heavyweights in customer platform tech. HubSpot CRM versus Intercom. Which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot CRM, your all-in-one hub for marketing, sales, and support. And on the right, Intercom, the conversational powerhouse for customer engagement and messaging. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the features that matter. Each category will earn points, so at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner? It might just surprise you.
Okay, quick mind map before we dive in. Here's what we're looking at: pricing, CRM depth, customer support and messaging, automation and workflows, ease of use, analytics and reporting, and integrations and ecosystem. Ready? Let's go category by category. Let's start with pricing. HubSpot CRM. First up. Honestly, their free version is such a clutch move if you're just starting out or want to test the waters. Super predictable pricing tiers too, so you can scale without those surprise jumps. That said, if your team starts getting ambitious, advanced features can get expensive fast. Now for Intercom, it's got flexible plans where you only pay for the team members you need. I mean, who wants to pay for seats you don't use? The catch? No permanent free plan here. And if your team grows or you want extra features, the cost just climbs. Slight edge to HubSpot CRM here, especially if budget's your main thing. Moving on to CRM depth. And oh man, this is where HubSpot is almost on a different planet. It's a full-blown, all-native CRM. Marketing, sales, support, all rolled together. Reporting, lead scoring, analytics, you name it. It's got it. Sometimes, though, the interface can be a little, clunky. But you get true CRM power. Intercom is way simpler. Basic CRM stuff, contacts, deals, mostly through integration. If you want anything advanced, you kind of need another CRM riding shotgun. So, for CRM powerhouses, HubSpot is just like the obvious pick. Now, customer support and messaging. So HubSpot brings those classic help desk vibes. Shared inbox, ticketing, you can work with email, chat, phone, forms, the whole shebang. But for live chat and snappy conversations, it's not the fastest. Intercom, though, this is its turf. The live chat is buttery smooth. Seriously, you just drop in help and answers, and AI can even suggest replies as you type. Help Center feels super tight too. Just know, ticketing leans more on chat threads, so it's less formal if you need complex issue tracking. For customer messaging, Intercom absolutely crushes it. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Did you know HubSpot actually started as just a little marketing blog way before popping off as a CRM leader? Wild, right? Let's talk automation and workflows. HubSpot gets kind of wild here. You can automate stuff across marketing, sales, and support. There's an advanced workflow builder, tons of triggers and actions. Like, if you're an automation nerd, you'll be grinning. Intercom's a bit simpler. AI bots for chat and basic campaign automation. It's decent, but for those really tailored sales processes, not so granular. This round definitely goes to HubSpot if you want those deep, multi-step automations. All right, ease of use. Here's where things flip a bit. HubSpot has everything in one spot, which is awesome if you like all-in-one tools. But honestly, some folks find the interface kinda overwhelming, especially with all those tabs and settings. Intercom? Clean, super modern UI. Onboarding is almost fun? No joke, it's really beginner-friendly. But that means some advanced stuff is tucked away or missing. So if you want to keep things simple, Intercom wins here. Analytics and reporting. Let's go. HubSpot throws down with customizable dashboards, and you can see reporting across sales, marketing, service, all the stats you could want, really. Intercom's approach is more about conversational analytics, with some cool recent AI insights for chats. But if you want those deep business metrics, you'll need to pony up for extras. Between the two, HubSpot easily wins for analytics. Integrations and ecosystem. Quick rundown. HubSpot, tons of integrations, huge app marketplace. Intercom, super robust API and developer toolkit, and lots of solid integration options. In other words, both are killer here, and I honestly can't call a clear winner, so this one's a tie. If you mapped out all these features, HubSpot pretty much owns CRM and automation, while Intercom is all about that modern, customer-facing chat experience. Some real peaks and valleys depending on what you need. So here's my take. If your whole team wants control over your entire funnel, sales, marketing, and support in one spot, HubSpot CRM is the move. But if you're all about smooth, scalable, real-time support and messaging, Intercom is honestly unmatched. Depends on what fits your style. All right, spotted your next favorite tool yet? Both have free trials, so jump in, test drive them, and see what clicks for your business. Good luck, and let me know which one wins for you.